Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your GameSir G7 Pro controller is experiencing connection issues, button response problems, or unusual behavior, performing a reset can often help restore normal operation. Over time, temporary software glitches or pairing conflicts may affect how the controller communicates with your device. Resetting the GameSir G7 Pro controller gives it a fresh start and can help resolve many common problems without requiring complicated troubleshooting. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that you can try to properly reset your GameSir G7 Pro controller and get back to gaming. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the GameSir G7 Pro controller before beginning the reset procedure. Step 2. Disconnect the GameSir G7 Pro controller from any connected devices. Step 3. Locate the reset function available for the GameSir G7 Pro controller. Step 4. Activate the reset process on the GameSir G7 Pro controller. Step 5. Allow the GameSir G7 Pro controller enough time to complete the reset. Step 6. Reconnect the GameSir G7 Pro controller and verify that it responds normally.